Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode where I'm going to give some details about Dubai conference. The first thing is that 3 years before I did a conference in Mumbai, Options Conclave, but that time I was not very famous, but still nearly about 95 people attended, and now this is Options Conclave 2. So this is going to be a prestigious conference and to be held in Dubai. Why Dubai? Okay, the first thing is that SEBI finds that the trading in India, the futures and options trade compared to the cash market trade is very high, and the SEBI does many things to bring down the futures and options volume in India. That's why they do many things. There is something called span margin and exposure margin, but in other countries you have only span margin. So there are a lot of restrictions. Brokers cannot give intraday limit. Other countries they can give. Other countries even they give limit for taking the positional trade also, even in futures and options. Many NRIs do not know how to trade in foreign markets, particularly US markets, and they always trade only in India. So maybe I thought, why not we teach them how to trade in US markets so that they stop trading in Indian market, so we can help the government to achieve their target of reducing the futures and options trade in India. So that is one thing. And second thing, there are many people who want to register in India as a foreign institutional investor and to trade in India. For your information, FIIs who are trading in futures and options in India, they don't pay tax in India. And if they are Dubai based or any other country where there is no taxation, so they don't pay tax in their country also. So effectively the taxation is zero. So there are many people who want to register as a FII in India. So we will help them to set up. And of course, if they meet the criteria set by the SEBI. So one objective, how to register in India as a FII and to trade in India. And if you are a foreign national, of course, Indian cannot register in India as a FII. See, FII stands for Foreign Institutional Investor. If you have a company in Dubai and where minimum 51% shareholding is with a foreigner, then that company can register as FII in India, can trade and no need to pay tax. And then also objective is to explore how to trade in US markets. It will be a 3-day conference and it will be a 3-day non-residential conference. So from morning 9:10 to evening 9:10, a lunch and dinner will be provided, but no stay will be included. And in these 3 days, we will also be doing some live trading both in Indian markets and US markets. Of course, I am not an intraday player, but we will teach strategies and to see short-term trades, long-term trades, or how to trade. So we will follow it up in those 3 days. Then many people ask my office, who are the speakers? So naturally, PR Sundar will be one speaker. And then I started a mentorship program about 4 months before. There are about 20-25 people have gone through my mentorship program, and some of them are really doing very well, and some of them even doing better than me. So those shining stars will be the speakers in this conference. I do not want to put anybody as a speaker because I see that in India, same people appearing on many conferences and talking about the same thing. But I want to give chance only to the fresh faces. So the first preference goes to my mentees, and however, if you think you have something to share, you can always contact our office. We can consider you as a speaker, and provided we are convinced that you have some substance to speak. And also, we will not entertain if you say, I can make 10% per day, 20% per day, that is not the objective. The people who are attending this conference are likely to be ultra HNI clients, and they will have a lot of money. They are not gamblers. They are not looking to make 10%, 20% per day, but they are looking to make some stable returns less written is not a matter for them. So the system that you develop should be, I'm not expecting very high profit, and most of the conferences in India, they are focusing on that. I can make 10% per day, 20% per day. No, we are not focusing on that. If you come for an interview, the first question I will ask you, okay, the system that you've developed, how far this can be scaled up? If I give you 100 crore, can you take the position? So definitely option buying is ruled out. You can buy option with the 50,000, 1 lakh, but can you buy option for 100 crore? If you think you have a good system which is scalable to at least 100 crore, then you can always contact our office. We will definitely consider positively. As of now, my conference speakers will be from my mentees group. So I have already identified 4 people. I will be sharing 4 different strategies. They will do the live trading during the conference. So this is number 1. And they will be trading both in US markets and Indian markets, because some of my mentees are NRIs. So remember, an Indian resident cannot trade in US markets in futures and options segment. Because you want to trade in US, you have to pay the money in US dollars. From India, you cannot transfer your money to US dollar for the purpose of futures and options trading. So that is the main reason why we are conducting this conference in Dubai, because we are targeting NRIs and we are targeting foreign nationals, and we are not targeting Indians. But however, if you are an Indian resident and you want to come and attend our conference, no issues, you can come, and we will also be showing strategies that can be used to trade in Indian markets. The hotel is likely to be RITZ-CARLTON, DIFC, Dubai International Financial Center, and we are still talking to them. So we are yet to finalize. I think in the next few days we will be able to finalize, and once finalized, we will make official announcement. The conference dates is September 28, 29, 30. So why I have chosen the working days? So that we can show the live trading. And in case people want to come from India, they can extend their stay holiday, so they can just they can make this as a conference plus tourism. So that was the reason. There is one hedge fund and promoted by my friend. So that hedge fund is actually sponsoring this event, and he will be the sole sponsor for this event. At the end of the conference, so we want you to be an independent trader, whether you want to trade in Indian market or Dubai market. But in case if you are not confident, and you can always consider investing in the hedge fund. The conference fee is 1 lakh rupees plus applicable taxes. I think in Dubai, the applicable tax is 5% VAT, I think. In case if you are investing at least $500,000 in the hedge fund, then the 1 lakh fee that you are paying for the conference will be refunded to you. So that is a very, very sweet deal. That means effectively this conference becomes free for you. And once again, in the hedge fund, we will take only money from NRIs and foreign nationals. So in the hedge fund, we will not take money from Indian residents. And that is because this hedge fund will be playing in futures and options where Indian residents are not allowed to invest. If you are interested, you can contact our office. Numbers are given in the description. The numbers are given in the screen also. And the maximum number of people we are planning to take is only 100. And about a week before, I just announced it in my YouTube and I gave you the Google form. So we already have about very, very impressive figure of 75 people. And we got more than 200 inquiries, out of which we spoke to each and every one of them in India, and 25 people have agreed, but the remaining 50 people from Dubai, and they have agreed. So we have a confirmed 75 seats. So only 25 more seats are left. The Google form is also given and you can fill the form. So if you are in Dubai, and our representative from Dubai will contact you. If you are in India, my office will contact you. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.